Hello! Today we will introduce the Super Mode on the A36 Plus Max. Super Mode is a developer mode that allows advanced users to access additional features of the walkie-talkie. Here are the steps to enter Super Mode. 1. While the device is powered off, press and hold the PTT key and the number key 9 simultaneously, then turn on the power. 2. Once the screen displays Super Mode and the device automatically restarts, you will be in developer mode. Tips: please comply with relevant laws and regulations, and replace the appropriate shortwave antenna when using the 1830 MHz band. This mode is only applicable to the Talkpod A36 Plus Max model. By correctly entering Super Mode, you can effectively utilize the advanced features of the walkie-talkie. Thanks for watching. For more supporting, please visit support.talkpod.com.